Today I would like to present a nice duplex apartment in Le Raffine 31 in Bangkok. Le Raffine is located in Sukhumvit Soi 31 and the building was constructed in 2006. What makes this building stand out from other luxury buildings is that every unit has a private swimming pool. The building is conveniently located in the Prompong area. It's just a 500 meters walk from the M Quartier Mall and the Prompong BTS station, where you will also find the Banjasiri Park. This particular property is located on the northeastern corner of the building on one of the middle high floors. The size of this unit is 361 square meters, which is 3,885 square feet. The rental price is 180,000 Thai baht per month based on a 1-year lease. The rental price is negotiable, especially if you can do a 2 or 3 year lease. The maintenance of the swimming pool is included in the rental price. The kitchen comes equipped with a ceramic hob, dishwasher and an oven. Here in the back of the kitchen there is a maid's quarter that can also be used for storage. Here on the second floor you will find 3 bedrooms. Every bedroom comes with a private bathroom. The master bedroom comes with a jacuzzi, and there's also a very spacious walk-in closet. If you are interested in renting this apartment, feel free to connect with us. Our contact details are on top of this video. We can answer any questions that you have, and we can even arrange a viewing of this unit. Besides this unit, we have several other units in this building or in similar properties around the city of Bangkok. At Sukhumvit Homes, we are specialists in high-end apartments throughout the capital of Thailand.